everyone, my name is Dheeraj Giram and my today's topic is SQL joins. In real life, we store our data in multiple logical tables. They are linked together by a common keys in a relationship database like SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL and others. As a result, we consistently need to get data from two or more tables into X desired the output based on the some conditions. We can quickly achieve this type of data in a SQL server using the SQL joins. Causes these articles gives a complete overview of joins and its different types of with example, and the joins causes allows us to retrieve data from two or more related tables into a meaningful result set. We can join the table using a select statement, and a join condition indicates how SQL server can use data from one table to select rows from another table. In general, tables are related to each other using foreign key constraint. In joins query, a condition indicates how tables are related. Choose a column from each table that should be used in a join. A join condition indicates a foreign key from one table and its corresponding key in another table. Specify the logical operator to compare values of the columns like equals to, greater than or less than. Type of joins in SQL server. SQL server mainly supports 4 types of join, and each joins type defines how the two tables are related in a query. The following types are supported in a SQL server are inner join, self join, cross join and outer join. First, we will discuss about the inner join. This join returns all the records from multiple tables that specified the specified join condition. It is the simple and most popular form of join, and assume as the default join. If you omit the inner keyword with the joins query, will get the same output. The following then next is a next is a outer joins or self join. A table joins to itself using the self join. It means that each table rows is a combined with itself and with the every other table or rows itself. Join can be through as a join of two copies of the same tables. That we can do this with the help of the table name alias. To assign a specific name to each table instance, the tables alias enable us the tables temporary names that we are going to use in the query. It is useful way to extract hierarchical data and comparison row inside a single table. That's it.